Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Meri Kahani, or welcome if you are new here. For all of you who doesn't know who I am an aspirant preparing for the UPSC Civil Service Examination 2027, and ever since my state level government calendar for the government examinations has been out, I've also started considering the APPSC groups examination, particularly Group 1 and Group 2, and I don't mind giving other examinations as well. This video is mostly about what exactly I have done by not uploading any videos for the last 7 to 8 days, whatever. If you hadn't known me, or if you had known me, by this time you would have figured out that I have been a very confused aspirant ever since I started the preparation, little more than a couple of months there. So, I never understood what I want, what the examination wants, or what I was doing. But lately, I think I'm understanding the knack of the examination, my examination. So I'm the center of this examination, is what I understood. After attending Aditya sir's class, yes, I'm preparing from home. I did not like Delhi. I have moved back to my home, signed up for online classes, and yes, after attending the class, I started making running notes because that kept me occupied. And since I started understanding the static concepts in a good way, I have also started reading the newspaper. And I am also getting comfortable with reading newspaper. I never know how to read a newspaper. I was not at all super smart when it comes to examination. I could not read more than one source because I don't know, for some reason I feel that I can't do hard work. I don't want to do hard work because hard work is so plenty out there. I felt, for me especially, with hard work, I won't be able to clear this examination. I can't read too much, or maybe I don't want to read too much. So I am sticking to my class notes, PDFs that they give. Lately, I also started eating healthy. These are called mukri, a version of bananas, probably organic or I don't know. I also started this subja seeds for summers. If you know, I prepare from my home in the morning. I go to the library and study from the library, especially afternoon study sessions, because I feel I don't want to be isolated. Of course, they say isolation is very important, staying out of social media is very important. But for me, I don't know for what reasons, I feel very comfortable when I am around people. And when I see other aspirants studying, I feel calmer. Oh, this person is studying, so I can study too. Or that guy behind me, instead of sleeping in the afternoon and doom scrolling, is attending a class, so I can do too. So I am a person who learns from others, which I would love to do. Anyways, that's my friend's cabin. She did not come. She is busy with her works. And this side also some person he always take tests. This is afternoon. So many people were out for lunch. They'll be there in half an hour. Anyways, after having good study session at the library, I have come home around in the late evening. I've made myself some watermelon juice. I tend to get dehydrated a lot, and with so many fluids, I feel much better. We are just like plants, we need so much water. I went to More. I have this monthly subscription of 200 rupees. Sorry, yearly subscription of More for 200 rupees. So every time I go, I get a 5% discount. I get to collect the coupons or the coins and all of that. I'll show you what I have purchased later. But after visiting More, I've come back to my home and again I started attending the class. This is the APPSC groups class. What you have seen before, that is the UPSC class. And this APPSC subjects, trust me, I thought, I'm preparing for UPSC, so this has to be easy for me. But trust me, it's not easy. Then I have realized I'm not supposed to look down on anyone. I'm not supposed to think that, I'll get it, that attitude will not work. Previously, I used to be arrogant, but now it's making me humble. They say UPSC makes you humble, competitive examinations makes you humble. Anyways, those were my first mangoes and first supporters of the year 2026. Next day morning, I woke up. My mother made some idli, made the breakfast. I had it, and then I've come back to my room and I made myself some coffee. Lately, it's so hot in the coastal regions, and Vishakhapatnam is also too hot, and the nearby districts are also so sultry. I used to think that okay, I should not use AC because one, it is not good for the environment. Two, it what if it just makes me too habituated for that some reasons. But what I have understood is, if the room temperature, if my body temperature, frequent cold water showers morning, afternoon, evening, or morning and evening, these are actually balancing my temperature, and I'm feeling much better every time I am or my surroundings are cool. Okay, the anxiety is basically reducing. Anyways, after that, I got ready because it's my friend's engagement. I've put on this pink color suit. I think I have purchased this in Delhi when I was there, and I did the full వాళ్ళెవరో అడ్డొచ్చేసారు. హాయ్ చెప్తావా?
పాండి వెళ్దాం అడుగు శృతి. పాండి పాండి.
And once I came back home from attending the engagement along with my friend, my mother was making this chicken soup with a vegetable base, of course. And we added a bit of corn flour so that the watery base of the soup gets thickened. And along with that, we took one whole egg and we added it to the soup. Then it started giving the layers. Trust me, I never know that we could make soup at home, but it was so good. It tasted so good. All healthy ingredients, nothing too fancy or nothing unhealthy, and not too processed as well. So I decided that I want to repeat this dish on a weekly basis at least, or a fortnightly basis. Of course, I helped my mother. After that, I've come back to my room, and in the evening, I just studied because of the engagement. Had to skip my class, and then I had to skip making notes. So I just did nothing but just attended my classes and studied. And after that, I just slept off. No Netflix, no nothing, because I was so tired. And next day I woke up in the morning. I think I woke up pretty early because the previous day I slept a bit early. I slept around 10:30, so I woke up around 6:30, I guess. And then I made myself some lukewarm water with honey. I do have that habit of taking it because I felt that it is very healthy and it is really supporting my gut and all of that. And then I have prepared myself some coffee in my kitchen, and then I had to go down to have breakfast, for which my mother made dosa. If you had watched my previous vlogs, you'll understand that we eat millet dosas. All the South Indians love dosas, including the North Indians as well. But yeah, that is dosa from my home. And then I took shower, I got ready, and then I have given my test, which actually went well, surprisingly. Initially, my scores were pathetic. Okay, I kind of got 25, 23, like that out of 50, but I think I'm doing well. And around in the afternoon, I again started studying after taking a nap. Usually, do not really take nap. That's not what we do. But lately, I started taking a nap, and I don't put any alarms. Like if I put alarm, I'm like, "Ayo, alarm, 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 mogtadi, alarm, mogtadi." It's like that, and then I will not sleep. Ever since I stopped putting the alarm, I'm like, "Huh, I'll sleep whenever I can wake up." I wake up, and surprisingly, I'm waking up in 20 minutes. So there is no tension around, say, I'll just do it. These are the things that I have on my study table. Usually some paper clips, some A4 sheets, different A4 sheets for different. And this is the other that I have purchased in the Pondicherry. It's called Mariam Dubai. And I have a pouch with pens and stationery, all of that. And then I started studying my optional. I do have the handwritten notes, but there have been some material which I did not really go through. And my tutor who is teaching that, he is like, go through the PDFs, make your own notes. Lately, I'm not able to do that because I have different priorities now. Optional is very important, no doubt, but my priorities are different, and I'm confident in my priorities. And when I went to the mall, I've come back home, like in that video, in the part of the video you have seen. So I purchased some Amul cheese and Amul butter. I did not purchase the bulk butter because I don't know if it smells or rots and all of that. So I've purchased the small mini packets of butter. Along with that, I also got bread. I felt like I was in a mood to eat bread omelette. Trust me, I love bread omelette, and with a bit of butter and with a bit of cheese, it tasted really good. And then after having that, I have come back to my room, and it was around 4 where class has started, and the classes are actually getting heavier because of the technical details and everything. And then the next day I have received this Amazon order which I have placed. It costed me 136 rupees. These are basically stainless steel straws. I don't use plastic because I don't know, for whatever reasons, obvious reasons. And I've received a set of two steel straws. One is straight, one is curved, and along with that they have also given the steel what is it, brush for the cleaning. I'm more comfortable with this because I ever since I started taking more of the fluids, I want to have the straws because I can't keep applying the lip balm for the sunscreen and all of that. It just, I can't keep washing and I can't keep eating the lip balm, right? So yes, after that I got ready and I took shower, got dressed up, and then I have studied at my home. And after that my plan was usually to go to the library, but there was a changed plan today because I had to meet my friend who recently got engaged and she's living to Bangalore. And then my mother made some sweet corn. This sweet corn, it costed like five sweet corns are for 60 rupees, I think. Very fresh. I loved it. And then I played with Billy. I love Billy, but somehow it is scratching me. I don't know why. And it was 6:30 a.m. the next day morning. Trust me, it's like a cycle. One night, one drastic step, quantum leap, I can't. Gradually, I'm going there. It's going to happen. It is definitely going to happen. Anyways, I woke up and then I just sat by myself, and then I have made myself some subja seeds. This has to be soaked before using, and I had it after sitting myself with myself for a while. I also started studying. I had a bit of backlog for obvious reasons, so I was just covering that. And in the evening, my brother came home, and as soon as he came home, he started exercising. So I asked him, like, what do you do? How do you get to maintain this body? You are a student, final year, you have so much of work. How do you try to keep that motivation high? He simply told, I don't keep any motivation. If it's the time, I'll just go and hit on with the exercise. Then I have realized I also want to start exercising seriously because it's very important. YouTube is there, videos are there, there are many ways to go.